Titties are amazing.
Yep.
Is it better when she's on? She's off.
I walk like wonderfully. My butt doesn't move. It's just to widen your legs. It's just to like widen your legs.
I almost got it.
I could do it, I just don't like to.
I twerk in church is fine.
I twerked at church. Why were you twerking at church?
Because in this club I couldn't.
I was twerking in gym.
I quit.
I twerk nowhere.
I twerked 2 times.
It's like a stripper.
It's like these ghetto ass bitches.
Okay, you guys ain't. And dance like a stripper. Okay, fail. You didn't do it. Damn.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Am I still your prostitute?
Yes.
Awesome.
As long as you're still free.
What am I to you?
I don't know. My little mama.
Huh?
My little mama.
Sweet, I'm someone's mom.